Welcome to DecoField, your trusted partner for premium artificial grass, delivering the highest quality to countries across the globe. From landscapes to sports fields, our products are designed for durability, performance, and realistic beauty. At DecoField, we pride ourselves on our advanced manufacturing process. Using state-of-the-art technology and precision engineering, we ensure every roll of artificial grass is made to the highest standards. Our manufacturing plant operates with cutting-edge machinery, weaving high-quality synthetic yarn into a perfectly crafted turf with attention to every detail. From the initial extrusion of fibers to the final production of the turf, each step is meticulously monitored for quality and consistency. Our production process involves PP plus SBR backing, which gives our grass exceptional stability, and our C yarn shape that mimics the look and feel of natural grass. We use high Detex and high-density fibers to provide a soft, realistic texture while maintaining durability to withstand heavy foot traffic and varying weather conditions. Each roll is designed to offer perfect dimensions for installation in both residential and commercial spaces. As DecoField continues to expand, our reach spans across Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Join us in transforming spaces across the globe with DecoField, where nature meets technology.